Hello everyone, welcome back to Garden Wise. I'm Shivangi and in this video we will learn how to grow hibiscus cuttings in water. Change the water in every second day and don't forget to wash the cutting also. Here, I am watering before planting. It will stabilize the cuttings in soil. Now, here is a magic tip. Before planting, cut the last 2 inches of cutting. Once these cuttings start showing new sprouts, you can shift it in direct sun. Hope you liked this video. Hit that like button. See you all in next video. Until then, happy gardening. Bye bye.